Welcome everybody. Good morning. All right, let me update my my screen here because I have so many stuff. I might have to oh, I didn't want to do that. Anyway, good morning everybody. How's everybody doing? Oh, let me update this stuff. What the hell is going on? You guys don't see anything now. Oh my god. Okay, now it's back. Yannick's, good morning. What's up? What's up? What's up? Tony, good afternoon. Hello, Naomi. Good to see you, Naomi. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I couldn't mute the sound. All right. All right. What's going on? What's going on? David, hello, good morning. I have a question. Let's say I've passed the evaluation stage in Bulenox. Okay, will I trade on a demo account or on a real account with real money? The master account is a demo account, David. It's a demo account. It's called master account or funded account, but it's a simulated demo account. I do think that Bulenox has some sort of a policy for moving their best traders to live account, but it's not written on their website. You have to make multiple withdrawals on the same account to get to a live account, but I don't know anything about the details, but it's a simulated demo account. Yeah, FTT shut down. Yeah, Yannick's. Judith, hello. Jeff, what's up? Thank you, Chalma. Thank you. Good morning to you as well. Matthew, good morning. A+ trader, good to see you. What's going on? Beats Voyager, hello. Good morning. Bob, good morning. Yokozuna, good morning. Good to see everybody. All right. We made new historical highs, if I might say. So all-time high is at 21,263-ish area. So we made history on ES and NQ yesterday. Actually, not just yesterday, today. Who can we trust anymore? That's you know, that's a very that's a question that cannot be answered in one single sentence. It's hard. You know, it's hard to say anything about that. You have to trust the big names, obviously, most likely. I mean, I'm not saying you have to trust, but you obviously can go with the big names. TopStep, Apex, I would say MyFundedFutures with the big ones too. Take ProfiTrade. There's something circulating about trader weight and regulations. So they saying that prop firms that are going to use or are using NinjaTrader and TraderWeight are definitely the ones that are going to have an easier issue. I mean, an easier way to transfer by the regulations. By the way, I think Bulenox is working on the NinjaTrader license too. So we'll see, but that's going to be US regulations, right? Serious Trader, good morning. Zach, good morning. Good to see you, Zach. Red, good morning. Farhad, good morning. Apex is not denying payouts so far as I know. We're seeing more and more people getting approved. TraderWeight is very small. I know it's a very small broker, but they have license and everything, and it has to do something with CME regulations. I don't know the details, but anyway, those prop firms who are working with a licensed brokerage are going to have an easier transition when regulations are going to kick in, because guys, regulations are going to kick in next year 1000%. And all I can say, rules are going to be maybe even harder at some prop firms. That's what I think. You know, most likely it's going to be about consistency and you know, maybe flipping rule. The active trading day thing is going to come in. I mean, something like that. Camille, good to see you. Good to see you, Camille. Paul, good morning. Are there any prop firms with the real account, no demo? All of them are with demo accounts, David. Every one of them are with demo accounts. The simulated funded account model is, even with TopStep, one of the biggest, maybe the biggest one, or one of the biggest one, Apex, TopStep, everybody is doing the simulated funded account. You have to reach a certain amount of profit in percentage or dollar and withdraw those profits to be qualified, so they will put you into a real brokerage account. I don't know as of now any prop firm in the futures space that is putting your quote unquote funded account, which is a demo account, to a live broker at the first place. Nothing about that, you know. For CME, the existing prop firms are small bugs. Yeah, most likely it could happen, yeah. I will not be surprised that in time game over. Well, it's not gonna be game over. The prop firm industry is a huge market. There's a huge demand for prop firms. It's not gonna go away. That's 100% sure. 100% sure. It's already on Yonex. The new rule with Apex is already on. The 8-day trading is already live, so it's happening since the 6th of November. So this week. Supham! What's going on? Rules are as easy as they can get now. If you can get payout now, then you need... Yeah, that's true, real folks. Yeah. Sometime in the future, some big broker will come to get into the field. They already talking about it, by the way, Yokozuna, and yeah. Exactly, NPM right on the spot again. Most of the regulations, or I mean requirements, are going to relate to liquidity reserves. Exactly. So everybody's saying that, you know, just like with the casinos, folks, you know, the casino rule, the brick and mortar real business casinos like in Vegas, we talked about this multiple times. The casino have to cover every chip on the floor with real cash in the safe. So if they have, for example, $2 million on the floor in chips, then they have to have the same exact amount in their safe. Okay? So the same thing is going to get required. Just a second. Sorry, everybody. Had to check on something. Anyway, I'm gonna catch up. Sorry. What is happening currently? We're talking about Apex. Which one is the cheapest for practice? For practice, I think the cheapest is right now Bulenox and Apex and ProfiTrade. They have cheap upfront costs. Yo no, hey there. Sorry if I missed anyone. Yeah, it's a little bit choppy right now. We have a 1 hour busy down there, but otherwise it's definitely choppy. And now that the ES is, you know, also made new highs, it's a little bit complicated to say where it goes. Gold is making wild moves. Gold is gonna, or should be going, oh wow, look at that. Gold should be going for all-time highs as well soon enough. Wow, this is really wild. Yeah. All right. Anyway, let's put some levels on the chart and let's see what's going on. We obviously have, well, can we say that Asia high here? I don't know, but I'm gonna put a buy side liquidity right there, up there. All-time high, obviously. As for Asia lows, I would go with this level. Looking for significant liquidity voids as well. All right, nothing special so far on the 5 minute, which is good. Swept some liquidity here at these lows. So we're seeing, well, we could see a continuation all the way down to the 1 hour gap, but nothing special so far. And after yesterday's new historical highs, you know, this is the 15-minute chart. I would imagine that we could see consolidation all the way until maybe even the New York session. So I would not be surprised if this day would be huge consolidation. 15 points down to Asia lows. So if I would have to guess, actually I'm gonna do that right now. What's the level? 15.50. I like to see it take out the Asia low. It's actually very close. It's not even sell side liquidity, it's Asia low. It's very, very, very close. I entered a small short position. Nothing fancy. Tight stop. Just want to see if it can go. Where is it? There it is. Okay. So just targeting the Asia lows. Nothing special. Marco, good morning. Good morning. I'm gonna put a line here. Asia low. All right. Let's see what this one wants to do. Yeah, thank God it's Friday. Let's go. Gamecraft Trades. Welcome. How you doing today? Yeah, thank God it's Friday. Paul, I just saw your post on Discord. Congratulations on your new funded account. Awesome result there. Congratulations. Oh, on the Discord. You're not in my Discord, right? You're not, because Gamecraft Trades. If you would like to post, you can actually do that if I add you as a mod. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. You can share a link if you would like to. Or if it's a picture. I added you as a standard mod, so if you would like to post a link or something. Ah, your TOMSABO account. Oh. You can you post a picture share page or something? I think that would be more simple. You know, EMG URL or something. Because I don't have your email anyway, so we have paid membership. Are you in our? You're not in the paid membership, but you can still. Oh, you DM me. All right, that's fine. That is also fine. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, on X you can DM me as well. I have a lot of DMs here, but I'm gonna open this up and gonna be watching. Good morning, Enrito FTT Bulenox. Deleting accounts and unresponsive. Fredent, yeah, FTT is definitely not a good thing that they done it. Well, we all only know one particular trader that who's it called? It's called LiveMic Trader. His account was deleted, right? Everybody knows about the issue from Twitter, but we don't know more traders that had an issue. Trader Monk, good morning. Zoltan, good morning. Trump Christmas rally over. I don't know if it's over, the rally, but it's definitely could be consolidation. Kenny, hey Kenny, from the first state of Delaware. Good to see you back. Where have you been, man? You sent me? Let me check. Let me check. Oh, Gamecraft, this is beautiful. Let me open this and show it to everybody. Look at that. Oh my god, this guy is on fire. Wow. This is, I hope it's not a problem. I show it to everybody. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. First week, sorry. 6,000, then 1,000, 1,500, 1,900. Dude, you are killing it, bro. You are killing it. Congratulations. Beautiful trades. Beautiful trades. You're verified. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Gamecraft, that is excellent work there. Excellent. Long time I've been up at this hour, but I watch the videos. Oh, just a sport. Oh, thank you, Kenny. Thank you so much. DL Zinga, check out my trade. Oh, let me check it. Let me check it. Oh, by the way, I think I got stopped out. Let me look at your trade here. DL Zinga sent a chart. Wow, nice. You're the opening of Friday. Yeah, looking bullish, and you just went in a beautiful, beautiful liquidity sweep. Nice. Congrats on the trade. I think I'm out. I'm still in. I'm still in the trade. I don't know how. I don't know how I'm still in the trade. I should be out. I was looking for Asia lows here, so nothing fancy, but that's what I was looking for. ICT, but oh well, you know, it's not over yet. Gamecraft, don't worry, because we were talking about this on Discord as well. ICT can actually win the whole competition still, technically, with just one single trade. I know it sounds a little bit too much or anything, but you know, the first place is right now. How much is the first place at the Robbins Cup? Robbins Cup leaderboard. The first place at futures is at 465%. 465%. The first place at the Robbins Cup. You see? Now, this can be actually made with one single trade. One single trade from ICT can beat this. Obviously, he has to go with bigger size. And we were talking about this, like he could be just baiting everybody. And he might gonna do the big move in December, or who knows, we don't know. So it's not over yet. Just saying. Regulation points to weed out these bad fraudulent audits. Yeah, exactly. Onboard minimum capital. Yes, there you go. The Oriental, yeah. Absolutely, these are the things that needs to be done. Very good points. Is it out there on the some website, or you just came up with these ideas? Because these are excellent ideas. Hey, good morning, Tamás. Jó reggelt. Who else? All right, everybody. These are very... You're an auditor. All right. All right. Everybody, we're not making money here. This is just demo dollars, and we're just demoing here. We're just demoing here. Just demo dollars. I haven't made a single dime. All right, just fooling around. Very good points there. You know, onboarding minimum capital. You know. Yeah, that is very good. As we talked about this with the casinos, you know. Easy pass for Paul, definitely. That is so awesome. That was so awesome. I'm super happy for Paul. Very, very, very nice. Yeah, Paul, that is super great. Anyway, let's look at what's happening now. The 5-minute looks still consolidation. We have the Asia low still intact. Kuko, good morning. Well, it seems like it just wants to go higher. So my short is gonna be shortly taken out. It's just 3 points. Well, it's consolidation, so what can we do, right? Nothing can be done at this point. I'm gonna actually put a fair value gap here, just to remind that we do have a 5-minute gap above. So if I would get a reaction in that gap, I might re-enter. I'm afraid that price now just wants to tap into that gap. So 5-minute CB. Yeah, I'm out from the trade. I got stopped out. So waiting for a reaction here. Chelsea, good morning. Yes, I got the approval, and I already got the email that the funds being sent to the bank. So yeah, sideways, yeah, yeah, dark cloud. It will take out the liquidity void upside. Yeah, most likely. There's a good chance for it. There's a good chance because, you know, the mini also has it. That's the issue here. The mini also has the void, and in London, that is usually something that, you know, tends to happen. Not always, obviously. Not always, but it does happen. Starts at 49.50. Yeah. Oh man, I have to put this here. Okay, so there's a liquidity void. There's another one higher. I feel like I already missed the move, but you know what? Maybe for a scalp, I can jump in. The problem is that it can still retrace lower. All right, I'm trying to scalp it. Terrible entry. Only looking for 9 points here. Enter to a scalp to the void. So let's see. I don't even have a stop loss yet. All right. Very, 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 very bad risk to reward ratio. This is only a scalp. Yeah, Asia low actually, as you said, doesn't give a flying F. It seems like it's everything is so bullish. Nobody cares about the Asia lows anymore. 5 micro. 5 micro. It's only 90 bucks or 80. I closed almost every trade. Tab with the mini Nasdaq. So I'm just sticking to micros. No. That's you. The problem is I already missed my optimal trade entry. Ideally, I would have entered, well, maybe here at 32. The other chance for this one, if it would go down to 37 from here, maybe an OTE entry could be in place. But still, the target would be, well, it could go higher into the void. What I can do maybe is I can add another position at 37.50. Maybe. If it goes down 37.50 to average out. But that would be too much risk. No way, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing that. I am not doing that. That's you. You're the one who's doing it, not me. Oh man. But really, you're the one doing that, not me. I'm gonna be curious, by the way, if this trade could get to the 50s up there, because there is a liquidity void at the 50s too. So just curious. Well, that's because you guys are playing big balls. I'm not able to do that. No way, no way. No way. You're not convincing me to do that. I just can't. I can't do that. If I would have took it with 5 mini now, yeah. I'm all right with this. I'm okay. You know, Murphy's Law, if I would have entered with 5 mini, this would have gone down super fast. So I'm chill. I'm cool. Yeah, easy 600, right? All right. Okay, just because of you said it, I entered a trade with 5 mini on my TopStep account. All right. Just because you said this trade is gonna be on Tomasz here because he said it. I entered 5 minis on the TopStep account. All right. So 5 mini. Not even joking. There you go, 5 mini. For you. This trade is dedicated to Tomasz. If I lose it, it's gonna be on you. This is 5 mini. This is on the mini. So I did not. Oh, now you're saying I will blow. Okay, all right. Thanks for the help, man. Thanks for the help. Thanks for the help. I did enter. You told me I should enter, so I did. Anyway, I'm more interested in this other one. That if we are going to 49 on the micro, that would be more interesting to me. Look at that, I'm already in drawdown. How can I put the watermark? Oh, you see? It's NQ. It's not MNQ, it's NQ. And now it's going down. I'm already down $145, $141 on this trade. Anyway. And my target is 50, not even 49. Let's look at the NQ. NQ is, you know, the problem with the NQ for me is that, you know what? I'm gonna put down my TP just a little bit lower to the, actually to the middle of the liquidity void right there, 49.75. All right, 49.75 is gonna be my TP. Five mini on a 50K combine, right? Yeah. Yeah. 5 mini NQ. Let's go. Who cares about tomorrow, right? That's all that matters. I can't add more. Oh, now it's gonna go back down to reprice this gap, so it doesn't matter that it's here. It's just gonna go back down and reprice this. So hey, Beanie Player, just passed another 550K combine, planning to keep alive longer than. Let's go, Beanie Player. Congrats. All right. I will thank you. All right. All right. I completely trust in your trading forecasts. Or this account blow. Yeah. I'm going to hold this trade until TP or blowing the account. That's it. For the stream, you know. For TP or blowing the account. Oh, look at that. Yeah. The reason why I don't care about this account, by the way, because yesterday I already blown it down to the daily loss limit, so I'm down to I don't know how much I'm down to right now. This account is down to 48,887. So basically, this is the second chance of this account to climb back from drawdown. If this one goes down, the account is going to be really blown. So that's why I don't care. Yesterday, I put this account to the ground. If TP, if it goes to TP, I should be having about $600 or something, 600-ish. Well, I'm still not out of the hole, but it's definitely a good start. 100K static account. Yeah, I mean it's not the best account in my opinion because the drawdown is so small. So yes, it's static, and I know, for example, a few people who are using it. I just think that the drawdown is just small. But otherwise, you know, the static account is, in a way, it's good because it's never going to trail you. Never, ever, ever. So it's always going to stay on that level. And you can actually build up your safety net bigger and bigger by each and every trade. So that's a huge advantage. It's up to you how much risk you want to start with. Oh, MB Trader, I forgot to say hello. I think I forgot to say hello to MB Trader. Welcome. My model is, I'm basically using ICT concepts. This one is actually a late entry. Now, this is TradingView. So what I was anticipating, that we are having this liquidity void here on the micro and on the mini as well. Now, obviously, the volume is slow right now in London. So as far as we broke higher and we traded through this 5-minute sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, I thought that we're just gonna go into that liquidity void right here. So this was meant to be a scalp trade, and that's it, basically. That is it. Otherwise, I do like to use the classic 2022 YouTube model entry. I do like fair value gaps. 5-minute, 15-minute fair value gaps with order blocks. You know, it's a combination. Basically, that's what I'm looking. And if you pass it, converts the PA. Yes, exactly, best DJ in town. It's going to convert to a PA account with the same exact conditions. Yeah, so you can start. I mean, if you're making profits, your safety net is gonna get bigger and bigger. Good morning, Rob. Rob the Ghost Prod. All right. Yes, I had. Well, at the end, I had 2 FTT accounts that were waiting for payout, but obviously, it's just dust in the wind now. So. Tiny Gumaid, I would say. Now, obviously, what you're seeing right now is absolutely not the good example for it, but I would say what made me better is sizing down on the funded accounts. Now, on evaluation accounts like this, I do crazy stuff. I do stupid, crazy stuff. Not stupid, but crazy risk. But the thing that changed for me is that I sized down to micros, small steps, and I could handle even the losses better, much better, obviously. So that was the thing that actually helped me the biggest, and to wait more for the optimal trade setup. I'm not a consistently profitable trader, I must say that. Although I'm super happy to say that since July, I'm taking payouts every month from prop firms. I took payouts last month. This month, I'm taking payouts hopefully next month. So every month now, I'm able to take payouts because I have multiple funded accounts that I'm switching, all over. But sizing down for me. So what I do here is basically this account is already in a drawdown. So I just said F it, we'll see what happens, Absolutely, Tamás, absolutely. But I wanted to take this without you as well, because when I took the other trade, so it was not thanks to you, because when I entered this trade on the micros with the other combine account, not combine, these are MyFundedFutures accounts I'm copy trading. I entered almost the same trade before you told me to enter. So this was actually entered before you told me to enter, but the goal is the same. So I thought that I was actually thinking to YOLO this combine account because it's actually on the way to blowing away. But I said, why not? Why not? I'm sorry, guys. I'm still sleepy. You gave the motivation. Yeah. Obviously. I do copy trade. For example, now I copy trade between two MyFundedFutures evaluation accounts, which are trading with micros. But I also copy trade So here is a copy trade. There are some funded accounts which I copy trade. Currently, Apex and Bulenox funded accounts are being copy traded. So I'm using an Apex account to be copy traded to 4 other funded accounts. So I do copy trade. Not always. I must say that if I do this, I usually go in with small size, like 2 or 3 micros or something like that. So small size. Do you know the results broken down into London session and New York session? If yes, which session? Obviously New York. It's a very, very simple answer. New York is much better than London. It's out of the question. London is tricky, slower, and you know, breaks your mind because London is doing dirty moves all over the place. So London is, I would say London is dirtier. The most, I mean, the best moves are usually in New York all the time. All the time. Lost in London. Do you think about to drop London? No. No, because it's comfortable for me because I live in Hungary. It's a good time zone for me. London Open for me is like at my time right now it's 9 a.m. So it's super comfortable for me to trade London and New York AM. So the New York Stock Exchange Open for me is at 3:30 p.m. So I can easily trade both sessions. I'm not gonna drop it because I would say some, you know, I like to work on my valuation accounts too in London, and obviously sometimes we do see some A+ trades in London session, and I would like to trade those on funded accounts even. So true. You see, like Dilzik says EU is the best time for trading. I'm not saying it's not. I'm just saying it could be tricky and difficult. But yeah. I don't have a stop loss on this trade. Yeah. London, New York pre-open overlap seems to be better. Yes, I mean, for example, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard to around 9. There could be also some very good trades, good opportunities, by the way. I think. Yes, exactly. Exactly, I see money flow. It's a personal preference. It's up to your style, your habits, your risk, your, you know, all those details. It's a personal thing. Which one suits you better? Ah, you're Hungarian too. Awesome. Üdvözöllek. Cool. That is awesome, man. We see more and more Hungarian. I always mix up because you guys are changing your names, and it's hard for me to to realize who is Hungarian, who is not, you know. And I tend to forget who is Hungarian, who is not. So that's great. We have more Hungarians. To Budapest. Nice, Chelsea. That is cool. I don't live in Budapest, or Budapest, as we say it. But yeah. Yeah, New York session is definitely wilder. Yeah. Michael, good morning. 12:30 to 12:30 p.m. Best after some time news providing. Yeah, that's true. That's true. You're in the UK. That's cool. So obviously for you, the UK session is quite suitable. Obviously New York session too. So you can do the same like me. All right. London Open is about 5 seconds away. Let's see if I'm gonna get stopped out from this. Uh-oh. I might gonna get blown out from this account. Let's see. Economy is horrible. I heard that from other people who came home from London, Hungarians, and they said it's not the same as it was like 10 years ago or 15 years ago. They said they just wanted to move home. I was surprised. Like, they were making some money in the UK, and now they're saying they want to move back. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-bum, ba-da-dum, ba-da-bum. Oh, did it go? It did. All right. This one also made up higher. All right, cool. So, what's happening? I have no open orders or positions. Everything's closed. Which is a good thing. Any open company you will pay. Well, Chelsea, it depends. The 9% tax, it depends, you know. Wow, look at the reaction. Look at the reaction. Wow. GG, yeah. No, I wanted to take full profit here because I wasn't sure. I mean, look at this reaction here. Was there some kind of a news? Nothing. Quite a drop, you know. I mean, it's not a huge drop, but sharp sweep here. And yet we're inside of another 5-minute gap as well. Well, there you go. There you go. All right, let me read the chat real quick. Oh, I thought it's the same. Going from mainland Europe to the UK is like going back in time. Really? Wow, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. It's good when you're trading full time. You can live. Yeah, that's true. ABC. Yeah, you can live anywhere. Yeah, economy is. Yeah, 3 people watching it. Oh yeah, we have some viewers. Thank you so much for viewing the channel, watching this, and please subscribe and push the like button if you can. Help out the channel. Quant, yes, I'm using Quantower. How's the? I'm absolutely fine with it. I think it's great. I'm super okay with Quantower. So it's awesome. I use the copy trader, the built-in copy trader. The only thing I subscribe to is the $30 per month. It's called Advanced Features, which has the multiple connection feature. So I can connect to multiple brokerages or prop firms, whatever, and it makes it super easy to copy trade between them if I want to. Turn the porn off. Yeah. They're gonna release. Yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, they return to Europe with full money. I don't know. That's seemed to be a trend as always. You know, here in my country as well. Short the breaker. There's no fair value gap here. I don't want to jump in just based on an OTE, but you know what? I might do that. If we go back here to the 50% level, I might short the breaker, all right? Which is going to be at 39.50. I'm gonna do it. Where is it? 39.50. Actually, let's go 39.25. Okay, 39.25. I'm gonna short. I have a limit order at 39.25 to go short. I want to wait for a proper retracement. I mean, to have a proper risk to reward ratio. So I have a limit order, but I don't know for how long. Yeah. I think it wants to go for the Asia low, to be honest. And look at that. It's gonna melt down to Asia low. I can't chase it. That's the thing. I have no entry to chase this. The only level that I would go with. Okay, I'm lowering my entry to 38.75 at the 50% level right here. If it gets up there, that would be an OTE level. Something going wrong with Rhythmic? Well, there used to be issues. I know. Whoa. Well, this is gonna go without me. Down to 215. Yep, there she goes. I'm deleting my limit entry. It's gonna go and take out the 15 for sure. I don't have an entry. It's just gonna melt down super easy, down to 15. Yeah, there you go. And we have the 1 hour busy down there. Yeah. Spike down to Asia low. Standard deviation says 202. Look at that, right above the middle of the 1 hour busy. I'm not saying it can't, you know, but this one here, look at that, it just went up to OTE. What if this one still wants to go, you know? Enter the short. Enter the short, and TP would be 203. All right. Small position. So it could be a fake out and just go back up there. So uh-oh. There you go. There is 35 is my stop. 35. Okay, 35. TP is 203. Yeah, seems like this one was a fake out trade. I thought we're gonna drop down further to the 1 hour busy as a continuation, but it seems like this could be the famous Judas swing. No problem. I have to set up my copy trader properly. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. Unfortunate. I don't know how I'm still in. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, Asia low. Time too long. Also, watch UK German markets. They're dumping. I haven't watched the EuroX charts this morning. Isham, good morning. On motor quant tower can do DX feed and rhythmic. Yes, it can do the same time. It can do rhythmic and DX feed at the same time. Yes. Or has to be multiple some order. No, you can actually connect at the same time. Yeah, Futures Fanatic. I wanted to go short. Futures Fanatic saying I shorted the support. Well, I wanted to continue down to that BC. That was the main reason behind it. Obviously, there was an opportunity to go long here, but now it seems like it just wants to go higher. You know. Let me check the 5-minute again. You know, we could be having a bearish reaction still. Tom, ever since I told you to call your people, some from Dublin has been going every hour, Tina. I don't know anything about that. I had no information. I just put out a tweet on X about it. He's closing his partnership as then. They owe him 60K plus, and he paid 6K for instant funded. He seems pretty pissed. Well, I'm not surprised, but you know, he admitted that he already also got $30,000 in affiliate commissions when he started partnership with them. So he took out $30,000 in affiliate commissions in the first round. Search for it on his Twitter, or maybe he deleted it, but he took out $30,000 from FTT. 29,000 to be exact. Nem tudom, hogy bezárják-e. I thought he also got 65. Yeah, not 65, but he got 29,000. He admitted that he was photoshopping the screenshot. He photoshopped the screenshot, but in reality, and Sage also confirmed that Patrick Whelan received $29,000 in affiliate commissions from FTT. So he's net positive with FTT. That's 100% sure. I mean, it has been confirmed by Sage as well. Patrick Whelan admitted it too. Not now. It was weeks ago, like 2 months ago, 6 weeks ago. I don't know. Again, so Futures Wallet is Futures Fanatic is saying that FTT's wallet showing $12 million in Bitcoin. I saw that post as well, but you know, I don't know what to think about it. It's crazy for sure. It's crazy. Crazy situation. By the way, if you look at this high and this low, I would say there's also kind of like an OTE entry to go short. But, you know, I don't know. I feel like this might want to break some highs again. And we still have liquidity void higher. So I would not be surprised if this here would just go up to whatever. To the 50s again. There's one more liquidity void higher at 51. I don't know if it will go there. Long journey. Yeah, Tommy, he did that before. Good morning, Peter. Yeah, your long 222. Target is 263. Careful though. We have liquidity voids all over the place. I'm not sure what this move is. Is this gonna be a squeeze or what NQ wants to do right now? It feels weird, this move. Watching it, but I don't see any possible entry at this level that I like. Not even a possible continuation. It might just go down and reprice lower. It's hard to say. Yes, I trade in full time, Jerry. Yes. Maybe adjust it to 250. Yeah, maybe it will, you know, it wants to do that. But the more I watch this, the more I just can't see anything that we can relate to. We're right in the middle, and I feel like that, you know, this one might just wants to go down and reprice lower. There's a small imbalance here at 28. I don't know if it's there on the mini. It's there. I don't know if it wants to rebalance it or first want to spike higher. That's something that's a mystery. So we're gonna wait and see. One thing's for sure, we are right in the middle, and I have no idea how far this one could go from here. I'm not in a position, I'm just trying to measure how this one is reacting to these levels. So there was a 5-minute gap, got rejected up there, repricing this volume imbalance, which can be seen on the 5-minute too. And I'm watching for a possible, now this could be an inversion gap here as well, another fair value gap. But it traded through, so no idea. I'm from Hungary, Europe, you know, right in the middle. Right in the middle, but not Budapest, but I live not too far from Budapest. Alex, good morning. What's going on? Now, look at that. This could be a bearish breaker, by the way. This could be a bearish breaker. I mean, on the 1 minute. Took liquidity, shifted structure down there, repricing now a 1 minute gap. Tempting, to be honest, but let me put a fib tool here. Yeah, just touch the OTE. All right, enter the small short. Just a small position, about 90 bucks. And I'm just gonna be looking for this to break the lows there. That's it. Liquidity sweep, bearish breaker, OTE, fair value gap, you know. Draw on liquidity could be down at the 1 hour fair value gap. Why not, you know? Market structure shift, we have it here. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys on TradingView. TradingView is excellent for charting, but it's not the best for trading, I think. Okay. Okay. And there is a market structure shift again here. Bearish. Market structure shift. Target could be down there. OTE, everything lined up. So should be breaking the 211. But if not, then obviously we can just go sideways. You know, bearish breaker inside of another bearish breaker. He's a badass. He is a badass. But I'm not gonna go into politics because I tend to go too much into politics, and YouTube is not about freedom of speech. So today open is around 225 and the 15-minute failed to close below it since midnight. Yeah. Bum, 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 bum. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Well, it doesn't want to drop. That's a little bit strange. I was expecting some reaction, I mean, bearish reaction. But it's clearly not happening yet. Uh-oh. My view is market once again will tap 244 and fall down. Yeah, unfortunately, I have to agree with you. Morning, Butsky. Hey, welcome. This PA, yeah, this price action is not good. Yeah, I thought we're gonna drop here because, you know, two bearish breakers at the same point. Now look at that. Maybe I should just cut this. Not good price action. Not a good one. Yeah, exactly. It's definitely wicking out everybody. It's like, I mean, almost like the seek and destroy pattern, but it's not. It's consolidation, obviously, but you know, it took out everyone. It narrowed down into the range, created a bearish breaker, doesn't really want to go lower. I feel like this is a trap for shorts. I think I'm gonna close this down. and just gonna wait. I'm not sure. Actually, I'm not gonna lose too much, like 90 bucks on this trade, so it's all right. I can make peace with that. At least I'm not messing up my mind. Asia highs, yeah, I mean, somewhere that would be the all-time high again, at 263. Now, I do like this reaction here from this candle. This is something I really like. Let me go to the 5-minute. Yeah, I like this reaction currently. These two candles I like. But, oh no, it's turning into bullish. Yeah, there has to be some kind of a correction after all these bullish moves. Has to be some kind of a correction. But I think it's not going to be today, not on Friday. I think. But anyway. We're just gonna wait. The long wick is the trap. All of them wanted the change of character. Yeah. Yeah. Correction comes, but I guess need a reason. It's a short-term shift in sentiment. Yeah. Yeah. That could very well be the scenario. It looks like a barcode. The 30-minute. Oh my god, look at the 30-minute. I'm gonna look at the 30-minute chart. It looks terrible. Oh, it looks terrible. Anyway, I think I might have to close down this trade. I don't like it. It's who cares? Who cares? Let's wait for it. At least I can say that the analysis was not correct and I can just look for the next one, right? Gold is ripping. Well, if there is uncertainty, then gold is always going higher. Yeah. Man, oh man. Reza, hey, what's going on? Long time no see. How you doing, man? Hope you're doing great. How's the payouts? You're in your country vacation. Oh, now wow, it's Afghanistan. Awesome, man. Took some break. All right. I'm happy for you. You know, by the way, so going back home, visiting, taking some time off. Way to go. That is awesome, man. Spend the pay. Yeah. Spend it. Spend it. You have to live, you know. You have to live a little bit, at least. So spend it. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Man, we're stuck here. I feel like this one's just gonna go higher and it's accumulating positions, so we're stuck. We're definitely stuck here. Cannot do anything. The only thing we can do is maybe close down the trade, but that would be boring, right? So we're gonna keep it. Oh man. Well, I feel like this is gonna go up. I don't feel comfortable at this area. OB Lazar, hey, I have no idea how to trade up here. I'm going to take a while off. Yeah. Yeah. You know, it's difficult because we're at all-time highs, so, and we're consolidating. And, you know, it could be difficult. I'm watching ES as well. Not good. Not good. Well, what can we do, right? It's the waiting game. It's the waiting game. Yesterday's trade was awesome. The hammer and the gun actually worked out fine. But I'm not gonna do that now. I'm afraid not even the hammer and the gun can help in this situation. Oh my god, this is like, this is painful, guys. This is actually painful. Yeah, yeah, JP, chop soup. It will go down. Oh. Oh man. I feel like this is. Let me close the window. I don't even care if it takes me out with a stop. I just want to see this moving. Did a static where if you have a 70% win rate with one trade day, you will lose 75. What? Did a static where if you have a 70%, you will lose 75 times. I don't understand. But when I don't know. I don't understand the question. I'm sorry. The last 15 minutes of the NQ goes sideways in a 10 point. Yeah, it is. Yeah, paint have to dry. Rebalance this here, and now it's gonna go up. As in days. Oh. I see. 75 winning days and 175 losing days out of 251 trading days. Yeah, I guess. I'm sorry, Beanie Player. I'm trying to follow. Yeah, I know what you mean, by the way. You know, if you're counting the winning and losing days, you know, just have to count in between the payouts, if that's what you mean. So you don't have to count everything. Yeah, the London chop is back. It's definitely back. It's back. Yeah, trading this is definitely an account killer. So I don't even know if I should just close this and just go on with my day, because this price action is probably very bad. I mean, it's one of the worst I've seen. It's even worse than we had. I said it last week. Yeah, of course, JP. You can take them as long as you want. I mean, take your time on it. It's super simple. For example, on a 50K account, you reach $3,000 and you're going to get paid $2,000. You do that 4 times. Oh, sorry. You do that 4 times and you're going to go straight to a live account. You're going to go to a live funded account. So basically, it's an instant funded account. And compared to other instant funded accounts, the goal is to reach 3,000 and you're gonna get $2,000. That's it. Super, super simple. I think it's basically the most simple instant funded account out there right now. I also have Milestone account. Yeah, yesterday FOMC was, not a big deal. I liked when the journalist was asking Powell if he's going to resign when Trump is going to take the administration. He said no. But the question was like, are you going to resign if the president-elect or the next president or something like that is going to ask you to resign? He said no. He said no. Just a straight answer for Powell, no. Okay, then. Yeah. Some good questions. I mean, funny questions. But I love the look on it has been put out to Twitter. I love the look on Powell's face. You could see that Powell was getting angry at the minute the question was asked. Like, you could see his face, like, "You mother Tucker, how dare you to ask me this question?" And he just said no. And the journalist also asked that even if you would have to be, removed or something, whatever, and he said no. No. So Powell is, I think he's a little bit angry about the elections, or I don't know. Or let's just say he doesn't really like Trump. No. Yeah. Yeah, Michael. Yeah. Yeah, everybody was asking about the elections. I'm not answering the election questions. Okay. But he was angry. He was angry. You guys heard that sound clip when his mic report was turned on. It was last year, I think, or this January, February, I don't know. Not too long ago. His mic report was left turned on. And when he went out the door or something like that, he said, "Shut the fucking door." Or something like that. Shut the fucking door. Sorry, excuse me my language. That's what he said. Protesters kept intra. Oh yeah, Jules. Yeah. So yeah, I remember now. But it was also funny. Yeah, he's also human. Yeah. So, I think, by the way, I'm not saying I like him or something, but he's kind of cool. He knows he has the power to move the markets, and you got to admit that he's trying to stay diplomatic, and he tries to go on that silver lining, and that takes some skill. You have to balance your speech, you have to balance your answers, and he obviously tries to do the best. So anyway, I'm not saying again that I like him or something, but I'm just saying that it's kind of a skill. But he's a human. Yeah, obviously he gets angry on the press conference. I think he gets angry sometimes. Definitely. Register a German LLC called. Yeah, you can. The best is to submit a ticket to support, or write them an email, and just let them confirm it to you. All right. That's the way to do it. Just have your confirmation email with them. They do, but you have to talk with them first place. I also asked for them if I can open a company account with them, and they told me then fill out the details for my company name. But I still have to, of course, add my personal details too. And so I did. Make sure to have email about that. Yesterday, one guy asked him. Yeah, this price section is, yeah. One guy asked him what he would do if Trump fires him, and he answered, really pissed off that this is not allowed by the law. Yeah, he was pissed off. I saw that. Checked yesterday. The rules state individuals only. You can, because they use a payment processor, Tune.com or TunePay, and it's because of the tax forms and everything. So you can do it with a company, but you have to register as an individual. But the way you receive it, so the key is at TunePay. The individual that is registered to TopStep has to be the CEO of the company, and that you have to put the details on TunePay. That's what I'm saying. You have to do it as an individual, and then the payout is the main thing, if you want to optimize your tax. Well, I set it up on TunePay. So I typed my small company information, and I registered my individual name on their TopStep account. I mean, sorry, TopStep website, and that's it. I signed my personal, I signed with my personal information, but my person has to be also the account holder and CEO of the small formation. But anyway, small formation company. It all comes down to play when it's on ToonPay. So yes, for the trading combine, you have to sign up with personal. Apex and MyFundedFutures and other props. With MyFundedFutures, the same situation, because they pay out through Rise, and with Rise you have to do a KYC for a company or LLC. You know, you have to sign up with your individual information, but you have to be the same person who is operating the LLC. So it gets mostly important when you take out the profit. You know, when the money goes into Rise, then, for example, anyway, I'm not doing expertise on this, because obviously there are some details I have to look into. Well, NPM, you know, I was looking into it like at Rise. So for example, Rise requires you, so you can get a payout to bank account or, for example, crypto. Now, Rise is not requiring for you to validate your crypto wallet, for example. But if you put crypto in your crypto wallet, and from that crypto wallet you transfer funds into your company's account, you know, that's changing the game. But anyway, super hard, Mo, super hard. It's really hard. You know, 40% usually, everything. Yeah, I know NPM. Yeah, that's why, you know, for example, I'm just saying, if the crypto wallet is connected to the company's wallet in some way, then the company can also, you know, say that it was a crypto investment. But obviously it would not be true, because the payout was made from Rise to your crypto wallet, and obviously Rise have to do the KYC with you as an individual. So that's why right now I'm looking into this with Rise. Oh man, this price action. No, company bank account, no. You can send it, for example, a crypto wallet. And from that crypto wallet, obviously you can send it to your company's crypto wallet. But that does not going to change the fact that the original payout, or the origin of the payout, where it came from and where it landed at the first place. So obviously if it landed on your personal crypto wallet in the first place, then you can transfer as many as you want to your company account or company wallet. It's not going to change the fact that in the first place, you were the one as an individual who received the funds. But I'm technically saying this because I'm also looking for a loophole, a legal loophole, to do this correctly. Yeah, KYB. Yeah. So I'm also looking into a solution with those prop firms that use Rise. Man, this price action is so bad. I actually want to close this trade. It's so bad I want to close this trade. NPM, I'm not looking for some shady tricks or whatever. I'm looking for a legal way to do it. Yeah. I see. Yeah, so you have to put obviously your individual data or information. That they told me that with TOMSABO too. There's no other way around. There has to be a real physic person, an individual who's pushing the button. So you definitely have to add all your personal details at registration. Yeah, very, very bad price action here. All right, I'm closing this trade. I'm closing it. This is just so bad. I'm glad I closed it out. This is one of the worst price action that could be happening. I don't even care where it goes now. Untradeable. Waiting for a displacement. I closed everything. I'm flat. Yeah, it's. I'm gonna wait for some strong move. I feel like it went down here and now it's just gonna squeeze everybody. I'm not gonna wait for it. And you hold my beer. Yeah, exactly. Hold my beer. And it does this. Yeah, typical no red folder. I mean, look at the range here. 10 points, guys. 10 freaking points. And since how long? Ugh. Like 40 minutes now almost. It's actually physically painful. Yeah, very shitty action. Hey Hertz. Do you like to run different trading systems, like a swing trading system, scalping, or do you strictly stick with trading? With the same system, I would say, Hertz. I wanted to look into swing trading with gold recently. I haven't done that yet. When I started to learn trading in Forex, I mean, when I started to go real serious, actually not, it was way before. I was learning from a guy called Niall Fuller. He's from New Zealand or Australia. He has a website, learntotradethemarket.com, and he is always trading on the 4-hour and the daily charts, so swing trader obviously. And I like the idea. He's basically trading candlestick patterns on the 4-hour chart, and I really like the idea that what he was doing is what he was actually taking, for example, 2 or 3 trades maximum on a week. 3 trades on the 4-hour, maybe a little bit more, but 3 trades. And he was only looking at the chart like 30 minutes for a day, analyzing the market. And, you know, he posted out some good trades, and I subscribed to his course. I checked a lot of trades, and I do like that. 4-hour chart, swing trading, you know, hold overnight positions, blah, blah, blah. And I really like that. So maybe I'll return to that someday with gold. And who knows? But I'm using the same system all the time. Yeah, Mo, this is horrible. Really? Mad Mac Futures. That's awesome. Also proves that you and me are OGs. Niall Fuller is when I first encountered Niall Fuller, guess the year. It was 2007 or 8, 2008 maybe. It was back in 2007 or 8, maybe even 9. And when I subscribed to his course, so it was like, wow, so long ago. It was like 17 years ago when I first subscribed. I still have my subscription. The website is still operating, but he's not doing the daily forecast or weekly forecast anymore. But I did like the style he was trading with. I did like it. The videos are still up there. And yeah. What was price action during the financial crisis onwards? It was tradable. It was, as far as I remember, it was quite volatile, and it was absolutely tradable. The forex pairs, as much as I can remember, the forex pairs, for example, euro dollar and pound dollar. Euro dollar was moving much better than nowadays. Nowadays, in a London session, it moves like 10 points. New York session, it moves like 20 points, 30 points. Back in the days, I think it was moving like at least double. Like it was moving 20, 30 points in London at least. And in New York, it was moving at least 50 to 100 points. The euro dollar. Nowadays, it's just so slow. Everything is stuck. You know, that's why I'm not trading it. One of the reasons, amongst many other reasons, that it's just not moving. I feel like a different lifetime. He was the one who introduced me to your time. Yeah. So we have some common memories. Well, yeah. What platform which has cheap evaluation and one-time fee? Well, the cheapest one right now is Bulenox, Apex, and ProfiTrade with cheap upfront cost. Bulenox still has the 90% sale, so that's like $17.50. The activation fees are obviously the cheapest. Activation fee is still with Apex, $85 lifetime. ProfiTrade is also $85. Bulenox is $148. So what about during COVID? You'd have been more experienced. Do you notice major differences in how market cycles occur? Yeah, during COVID, the volatility, I think it was also good, you know, because the world was in panic mode. So prices were obviously, I mean, as far as I can remember, there was not too many chop sessions. But yeah. Oh, thank you, Trader Monk. Thank you so much. Thank you for the support, man. Custom Sepa. Horrible price action. Horrible price action. I don't have an entry. Tap 244. Yeah. Interesting though. We actually went higher. Guys, I have no interest watching this. This is just absolutely. I'm not gonna take a trade in this one. I don't. Hit your TP after 3 hours. How much should I pay to reset a 50K account with the ProfiTrade? I don't even know the reset fee. Let me check. I just checked it because they updated the fees. There was a reset fee somewhere. Just a second, I'm looking for it. Okay, $85 for a reset. 85. MB Trader, it's $85 to reset the account. If you have a boost account, then maybe no, it's no problem, MB Trader. Maybe it's a little bit cheaper to reset. Obviously, it depends on how much time you have until the next rebuild cycle. With the Echo accounts, I think it would be cheaper to just buy another Echo account instead of resetting it, you know. Oh, sorry, there is no rebuild cycle. Oh, I always forget. There is no rebuild cycle at ProfiTrade. Only one-time payment for evaluations. No monthly fee. Huge difference, though. ProfiTrade is the only prop firm that has no monthly subscription on the evaluation accounts. You pay a one-time fee only. So many prop firms, so many rules. All right, guys, I think I'm going to call it here. I have no interest. This is a shorter stream. I have no interest to watch this price action, even if it starts to go some way. This is just something I don't want to look at. All right. So I'll be back in the New York session. Hopefully some better price action here. Made a small loss here. The last one exited break even. It's all right. I haven't touched my funded accounts at least. So thank you for being here and hope to see you guys back in the New York session. If you would like to support the channel, please use my codes to purchase evaluations or instant funded accounts. It's up to you. So see you guys. Dario, welcome. I'm just going away. So yeah, I hope ProfiTrade is going to survive. But you know, I think ProfiTrade is having rules that can sustain long-term business. I just wanted to say. Funded futures, no, I haven't heard them, Pandora. All right, guys, so I'll be back. Have a safe day, good day, nice day. You were changing tires. Oh, sorry, Dario. But again, I'm gonna leave you guys. I'm gonna take care of some stuff, and I'll be back in New York. Cheers, everybody. God bless you, and I'll be back later.